Welcome to this video on using Duo Agent Platform. Today, we'll be covering one of the major features of Duo Agent Platform called foundational flows. Flows are a way of executing an AI workflow in a remote, asynchronous manner. These flows can be applied to common problems that you may experience across the software development lifecycle. By foundational, we mean that these flows are available directly as part of the GitLab platform. The flows that we'll be covering today include the issue to MR flow, which allow you to assign GitLab Duo to issues that are open in your GitLab project and have Duo open a merge request for you to review. And we'll also be covering the fix CI/CD pipeline flow, which allows Duo to attempt to solve why a CI/CD pipeline may be failing and opening up a merge request to help you fix that failing CI/CD pipeline. To get started, I want to make sure that Duo is correctly enabled within my project. So I'll go ahead and head over to the settings section of my project and click on the General button. I'll scroll down and see that the GitLab Duo section has the GitLab Duo and allow flow execution toggled on. Now that I've gone ahead and verified that these are toggled on, I should be all set to start using flows within my project. Let's head over to the issues for this project to start working with one of the flows that we just mentioned, the issue to MR flow. You'll see here that I have an issue open within my project. I'll go ahead and click on the issue to read a bit more and gather some context about what the issue is attempting to solve. It looks like that this is a simple change for the application within this project to add a few more items to a drop-down menu that's available within the application. I could go ahead and attempt to fix this myself, but what I'll go ahead and do is click the Generate MR with Duo button within this issue. I then receive a notification at the bottom of my screen that tells me that an agent session has been kicked off. Similar to CI/CD logs, an agent session is a way of reviewing the actions that GitLab Duo will take in order to solve the issue that we have opened up in our project. You'll see here the actions come in, and we can review every step that's taken, including the implementation plan that Duo attempts to take, and then also how it actually intends to implement the solution. Once the logs stop coming into the agent session, we can head back out to the merge requests for the project and see that a new merge request has been opened up by Duo. Clicking on the merge request, we can then review the changes that Duo has attempted to make in order to solve the issue within our project. It looks like these changes are just some simple edits to a JSON file, so this all looks good to me. Heading back to the overview for our merge request, one last thing that we want to verify is that the CI/CD pipeline for this merge request is able to run successfully. We can already see that one of the jobs has failed, so let's take a look at the pipeline link to see more information. It looks like the deploy Kubernetes job has failed. I could go through the logs of this job and attempt to figure out what is wrong, but another option that I have is to go ahead and click on the Fix Pipeline with Duo button on the top of my screen. By clicking on this button, similar to the issue to MR flow, GitLab Duo will start a new agent session where we can review its attempt to try to fix the pipeline for this merge request. Heading back to the agent session, we see that the logs will start to come in as Duo attempts to figure out what is wrong with our CI/CD pipeline. It's able to pull in the logs of the failing job, and it's able to gather some more information about our project, including that we're using Helm, Kubernetes, and then it dives into the root cause analysis of why the pipeline is actually failing. We can see here that it also begins to suggest a fix plan for the pipeline, and we see here that it's going to add a create namespace option to the Helm command that we use in the pipeline because the Kubernetes namespace that we're using doesn't exist. Once it goes ahead and pushes everything up to our project, a new merge request URL will be available in the agent session logs. As we click on it, we can head back out to the new merge request that's been opened, which will contain the fix for our CI/CD pipeline. We can go ahead and look at the changes to verify that everything looks okay. A simple one-line change has been added, and it appears to be what Duo has suggested as part of its implementation plan, as far as just adding this new create namespace option to our Helm command. Now let's just make sure that the pipeline is able to run successfully. You can see here that the deploy Kubernetes stage was able to run successfully because it depends on the build stage. Going into the logs, we can further verify that the namespace was successfully created and the manifests for our application were successfully deployed. Now we can head back to our merge request and merge everything in once the pipeline is fully finished. With the pipeline now fully green across all of its stages, we can go ahead and mark the merge request as ready. And then we can go ahead and click the merge button to merge in this merge request. One thing to note is that this merge request will not go into the main branch of our project, but into the merge request that we had opened for the issue to AMAR flow. This is because the pipeline failed for the merge requests that we're trying to merge into our main branch. We can go ahead and take a look now at the changes and see that the pipeline fix that we added in the previous merge request for the fixed CI/CD flow is now part of this merge request that's been opened up. Let's just go ahead and verify that the pipeline is able to now run successfully. After merging in the change from the fixed CI/CD pipeline flow, it looks like the CI/CD pipeline is now green in our issue to AMAR merge request. We can now go back to reviewing the work that Duo has done in order to solve the issue. Thanks again for watching this video today on using foundational flows. We hope that this was a good introduction to using one of the major features of Duo Agent Platform. We encourage you to check out some of the links below to learn more about flows, how to use custom flows in terms of creating your own flows, and how to share all of the innovations that you come up with using flows in GitLab's AI catalog. Thanks again for watching.